This machine with 5-axis spindle, which can be rotated 360 degrees. This machine is specially designed for mold processing, like yacht, boat, car, shoes, aluminum molding making. Its 5-axis can work at the same time with the Mach 3 operating system. This CNC saves considerably the cost. Our 5-axis milling machine configured with the gear unit. The rotary axis can stop at any angle. The entire machine is cast iron, so it can process metal materials. It improves the efficiency of work with a high-power motor. It is intended for machining wood, plastic, aluminum and other materials, metals or non-metals. It is mainly used for the treatment of impeller and shoe mold.